For SolidWorks, I highly recommend at least a 3-button mouse because, well, if you don't have that, if you are using touchpad, you will find really great difficulty in controlling your part in an intuitive way. Now, 3-button mouse is a must, but if you are a power user and if you are planning to use SolidWorks quite a lot, I will recommend a CAD mouse for you. Now, the mouse which I am using currently is a combination of CAD mouse as well as space mouse from 3D Connection. Now it looks kind of like this. So I've got the space mouse on my left hand and the CAD mouse on my right hand, and using these mice combination I can control and navigate in the 3D environment very easily. Let me show you how it works for this part. So we are using this part so far, and now here if I want to orbit this drawing, all I need to do is just do it kind of like this. So with a slight gesture from this space mouse, I can simply orbit this in any direction. I can just bring it closer, move it further apart, and I can just move it up, down, zoom in, zoom out, and so on. So there are a lot of things that you can do, and you cannot do all these kind of navigations in a very fluidic way using simple 3-button mouse, and it's almost next to impossible with a touchpad. So the motion kind of like this. Well, going through this hole, it's almost impossible with a simple 3-button mouse. Alright, now do you need this mouse? Well, as I mentioned earlier, not everyone needs this mouse or this combination of mice, but if you are a power user who's planning to use the software quite a lot, I will recommend this mouse for you.